Oh my god. Holy. Alright. Cray. Sammy, you're gonna PMO, bro. Sammy. Guy. Damn, now you're gonna be airballing me in my reaction, guys. There we go, bro. I'm so happy with that. There we are. There we go. I knew it was gonna happen tonight. There we are. No, that's such a nice new artist. I'm so happy with that. There we go. Alright. I was so worried I was gonna die at the end again. I almost did. There we go. Alright, let's count up attempts. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. 4, 5, 4, 2. God, I typed that in. 4, 5, 4, 2.
Did he blend? You noticed, did he blend?
9,655 attempts. Light work. There we go. Here we go. Oh, let's open up the chest for the video, yeah.
Ooh, calm little demon key. I see you, plug.
Alright. Okay, now that I beat this, I'm gonna beat this at some point because it's literally the easiest level of all time. This is probably gonna be the next really hard level I do, but I'm gonna take a break from really hard levels for a bit. I'm gonna beat this so I can finish the weather trilogy, and then I'm probably gonna do Reverie, and then I'll figure out some other stuff to do. But yeah, this feels so nice to have done. There we go. Nice.